Hey friends, this is Atif Hope here. Well and welcome to the new update on Vechain. The price line of Vechain was testing a very significant support of 5.5 cents. Right now, we're slightly moved down. And in today's video, we will analyze is there any chance to move above this support or we are going to move more down from here. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it, and for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I am sharing different trading ideas for you on the daily basis, and you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. First of all, let me show you this daily time frame chart, and here we are moved below the support of 5.5 cents. And if I switch to the weekly time frame, then we can see that this was a really very strong support, and previously this support had been working as a nice support and resistance as well. Like for example here, back in Feb 2021, it was working as a resistance. If we switch back to the daily time frame, then the rejection by this resistance on the daily time frame in Feb 2021 is more visible. You can see that we had this nice rally in Feb 2021, and the price line was facing this resistance. For the several days it has been facing this resistance, and after this rejection finally we broke it out, and after breaking out we tested the support here of 5.5 cents. We again tested, moved very close but did not test, and reversed back. Here we tested, and right now we were again at the support, but the price line is moved below the support. And if I place this trend line here, for example at this spike, then we can see even up to here at 4.4 cents approximately, we have a very, very strong support zone. Now let's move back to the weekly time frame. Then it will be easy for us to understand. If I place this tool here, this pattern here, and we can see after highlighting this area, it is more visible how much important this support zone is. We have been moving in this zone here as well, and we have we moved inside this zone here but reversed back. Therefore, after this spike, it is possible that the price line will be moved back above this support. And as in my previous video, I told you that we are also moving in a down channel as well. This was the support of the down channel, and here we have the resistance of this down channel. Let me just switch back to the daily time frame, then this move will be more visible for us. We can see that we have even the formation of the falling wedge, not the down channel. And right now, even it will be also called as a down channel. It will be more appropriate, I think, as a down channel. Now we can see that the price line is now getting bounced by this support. And for example, if it will be moved above this 5.5 cents resistance, because previously it was working as a support, obviously it can work as a resistance now, then it can reach up to the resistance of the channel that is approximately at 7.2 cents. And after this bounce, it seems to be that it is moving there. And in case of breakout the resistance of the channel, first we need to break out this resistance approximately at 9.5 cents, and then we can reach the tail of this channel that is approximately at 18 cents. So next few hours are really very important, because we got bounced by the support previously. When we got bounced, we had a nice rally up to the resistance, and this time we can again rally up to the resistance at least to make a powerful attempt to break out, and after the breaking out we can expect this move. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well, and for more ideas you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I am sharing different trading ideas for you. You can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.